Why does your scanner show the P0890 engine code? What does it mean? P0890 is a diagnostic trouble code for TCM power relay sense circuit low. This error code indicates a problem with the TCM power relay, likely a low voltage signal. This can affect how the transmission shifts and may lead to other issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission control module, wiring and connections, TCM power relay, environmental factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Subaru and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.